Today we're at Blue Ribbon Fried Chicken. Today I came to try their chicken smash burger, and I spent a total of $18.46 on the combo. All right, let's get into it. Let's clean my hands. I can't eat without cleaning them hands. You know the deal. All right. Let's dig into this food. Okay. See what we got first. So we got some fries. All right. Very crispy. Let's give it a taste. These shit slap. There's oil fries in the bag. Make sure you get those. The fries are seasoned with salt and pepper. That's about it. Bag fries are good. I'll get all of those. Alright, let's add some salt. Alright, now, oh, they fucked up on my order. Wow. So I got the smashed chicken burger. I told them no pickles and no tomatoes. They still put it anyway.